In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Learning Ally once you have it installed onto your Chromebook. Okay, at the very bottom of the screen, like right here, this black bar that has all these icons on it, that's called the shelf. And so the way to open up this shelf is you're going to take your finger and you're actually going to put it onto the screen, and you're going to then move your finger to flip the screen up, just like that. Let me do it one more time. I'm taking my actual finger and I'm touching the black bar, and then I'm going to move my finger up, and then I'm going to drag it up, and here you go. So these are your apps. And to find the Learning Ally app, what you would do is that you would scroll down until you found it. Yours might be in the top, it might be in the middle, but nevertheless, it looks like this. This is the Learning Ally app. Once you do that, you tap on it one time, and then you'll be able to sign into the program like you normally would. I'm already signed in, which is why it pulled me there right away, but it might ask you for your username and password. You would enter that in and you'd be in. Now, the easiest way to access your Learning Ally is to go ahead and pin the icon to the shelf. So what I would do is I would right-click. Once I right-click on the icon down here, I can click on Pin. And now, even if I get rid of the Learning Ally window, the little icon will stay there. And then I can take my mouse and I can click on it, or I can take my finger and then I can tap it. Either way works. All right. And so that is how you get to your Learning Ally through your Chromebook and be able to pin it to your shelf. Thanks for watching.